Welcome to Robie's vlog! So hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Machi Studio. So here I have in this video I have a guest, special guest. So this is Bambam. She's from Bohol, my friend. She's visiting me here in Cebu. Finally we met.
Yeah.
It's been a while.
Yeah, been a while.
So, you can greet your family or you can greet your special someone.
I would like to say hi to my fiance.
Woo!
Hello, Mahal, Mark, and to my family in Bohol. Hello, I miss you guys.
I miss you too. So guys, for today's vlog, we're going to hang out here, we're going to cook. So Bambam, she's going to cook Sinigang. Actually, she's already started, so we cannot show you how she does it completely, but maybe we can explain a little bit later because she has her own way on how to cook Sinigang. I have my own way as well. It's like different. We cook Sinigang in different way. And for those who don't know what is Sinigang, Sinigang is a special, no, not really special, but it's one of the best Filipino dish. It's a sour soup. So it's you can choose different kinds of meat.
Yeah.
So we can use fish, sinigang, shrimp, pork, and chicken. Oh,
Yeah, chicken.
Sinigang?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I never tried chicken sinigang, but the most commonly used for sinigang soup, which is sour soup, is pork, shrimp,
And fish.
So I never tried chicken yet. Mostly chicken
I
is
already
for
tried
tinola. Is it
cooking.
good?
Yeah.
So we're just going to show you what we're doing here. Later we're going to do a little bit of karaoke.
Yeah.
You know, Filipinos love karaoke.
Yeah.
So I hope guys you're going to enjoy watching this vlog. We're just going to have fun. So I think actually, do you have social media account to promote or something? You can follow you on TikTok or something.
Actually, I don't have. I'm so private.
Okay. So yeah, Bambam doesn't have TikTok, but I do have TikTok.
So please like.
Did you have Instagram?
Yeah, I have Instagram.
So,
But please like and subscribe to my friend's channel.
oh, thank you. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe and like. And if you like to share, you can share it too.
And
Thank
click
you.
the notification bell.
Yeah, so that you'll be notified on our next video. So guys, maybe that's it for now. So, guys, I'm gonna show you like this is the pork. So what Bambam did here? What did you do, Bambam? What did you do, Bambam, first?
I saute the tomato and the onions, and then season it with salt and pepper, and then I put the pork, and then
Oh, you added the pork.
yeah,
And
and then after that I put the water. So the water comes from the rice.
So it's like basically it's the how do you call that? So we have to wash the rice,
Yeah.
right, before we cook the rice. So
And we keep the water.
yeah, we keep the water to use the water here for the soup. So it's my first time hearing that. That's why this is like different from the way I cook sinigang. And what else we have here? So we have string beans. We have kangkong. I don't know what's the English of this. Chinese kangkong.
And
Then we have some okra. we don't chop it yet. And we already chopped the gabi, or we call it taro, and the radish. What else? And
Don't
of course, don't forget, this is not sponsored, but don't forget the sinigang mix.
the Kinaman. The Kinaman
Nor. Nor. And then, yeah, so we're going to continue cooking, and we're going to chop the vegetables, and Bambam is already adding the, what is it, kambal?
Taro.
The taro alone. So we're not done. We're like, what do you call that? How do you call that? So I already chopped this, so we're gonna continue, right? That's it means it's cooked. You're fired. There's fire. There's fire. So we're going to continue to chop this. We cannot find the eggplants. Maybe somebody is throwing it away. Nay, nasaag. Bibi, nasaag ko. Nasaag ko. Tayo ka. Napunta mo rin tayo. So, verse 1, Bakinaman. Sponsor, Bakinaman. I want an island kitchen. I want a kitchen like an island. Hungry, my tummy. Kabog na yun sila. Mag-vlog, mag-vlog siya. Mag-vlog siya na. Mag-vlog siya na mag-storya si may tumay.
Wala pa sila ka. Okay. Kung sa 20k ba? Awan ka 20k. Okay. Ano na siya nga. Masakit ko yung ang isul na ka. Niya. Word na kuhan sa yung live ba? Yung siya nga. You don't understand. I said I need 20k from like a brother. Kasi isa ko daw. Bro. Tapos like conversation niya. Wala siya na. Idil ka ko ba? Niya mo. Kudayon.
Dogmay kami. Dogmay kami. The center of the bread. May kami hanggang.
Ang babae sa video, ang 31 anyos na buwalanan si Angela.
Wala na
LDR o long distance relationship ang 59 anyos na si Thomas o Tony mula sa Texas.
Wow.
is learning the best. Hi, moms.
Hi,
Wish you're
Moms.
here.
Yeah, wish you're here.
Guys, mag-add na tayo sa mga vegetables, char. Going to add this vegetable. Hungry, may tumi. Hotdog, may tumi. Hotdog, may tumi. It's the center of the bread.
Don't ever say that again, mate. That's a quick.
Oh. Wow. Kamba, it looks delicious. Smells good. Smells good. What's the German of that? Smells good.
Smells good.
Say it in German. I don't think that's a German. Mark will be disappointed in that. Guys, our sinigang is almost ready. Yum, yum, yum. Yummy, may tumi.
Yummy, may sinigang, may tome.
Why don't you do your wave dance?
Pork, may tumi. It's the center of sinigang.
You should do your wave. Good.
Pork, may tumi. It's the center of sinigang.
May tome.
Diba?